Oh, lots of touch the lake. That are in the Pennsylvania ke Amish town le dio. Ane nabatsola nyendong de mazo ke padola serochi shimbego shuai. Kain sanaya taringi nimo ke nyendong te ke chorwa madabachi te yi. Ane de nesu du samji shubai na Amish seate Europe chole pede be merik den rechik chade ge yore. Ani Quran so ke soljun namju ke meche chedang te 아니 니메 길로서 닝바트 데게 돈에 제게 열세네 권요 에나 단다 보동아 드라마뇨 다른 탄다본 저기 대도 가라라 냠뇨 사바치다 남바솔 냠뇨 사바치 오 텐데지 쉬나 삼슬라서 거딘체 레지 남바솔 저지래 welcome to Tibet NYC YouTube 다 다른 게 남바솔아 로지세 거래 Zamling di nang la chidang dam da chakdang dam da yore ani namju ngam su ke samlo gala cha de yorwa cham su samlo ni chelo thwe ne ro Zamling di nang lo la yang Zamling manda wa de mangu te mata yorwa ju ta ga phe bai na ha sa ya bu yor tarin de Amish ke village la thusin le du ani te de Amish Quran so ge ani message che dang te chande ye ba de ani ka che tön thu ge tön ge thamsi chi ge yorwa na bo tu mi thu si ro chi
The barn is built into the side of the hill so they can have easy access to the second floor. The first floor is for the animals. The second floor is for storing crops.
What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up, buddy? Cute baby? Amish kita, mig yaji mendo ni je. Da did da tobacco. Amish konto tobacco grow chik da de tobacco. Thong da yete to yage. Amish ke chutong sa. Hand pump. Hi, buddy. Hey. Hey, Jack. Mr. Jack. What's up? What's up? Hello. How are you doing? That day one day Korange Amish ke rare shande. Let's go. Amish la dear couple. The Nangmin Dosa family carriage Karsha. They come back to the Amish village. This is the Amish village. They Tagaris now dame, but in Alola. And in Dula Cardo Tengua Dula Motor Nashinte and Dela break the break Jagona. In South Shudo. Oh, yeah. That in Matas, Shun Chuli and Hogmaster. Chick Shun Shamba. I need the Zokondokima, Shingata Begala. Thank you, sir. Shingata Begalacha. I need to know that I am Jala Tata to Zoki Tank, Jala, the Hansang, Shinga, Shadow Jala, someone to the Damado there. And then they'll Omadang, that in the Chura down to the market, Chegorva, or the delivery 쳐도. 아니 대양 조지 당네. 지부 당연 돼야겠지. 좀 다디 오미시키 빌리지 되게 때문에 롭점지 때문에 단도 때문에 요래 메트리 그렇지 다른가 팜라 파드레이 안델 디스트릭 조고조고 맞는 카드 쓰는 데간도라 먼저 버스 티켓 또 셔와 안 버스 수용 그래 디 버스 티켓 당 점점 돼야 되도 상말라 고모 메리를 숨주송아래샤 아니 보고다 된들라 개 믹스기 체주들 개 자연들 개 면도 수야이 라서 당아들이 파트네 버스 나라 쇼가 두긴다 So you are taking us to farm? You're going to take us farm?
Yep, we'll take you on.
All right, thank you. 그래서 다 까만가 나오는 것도 파게 farm 그런 두기 아니 때문에 메트리스 그렇지 빼 서로가 야구 직당 저 멀어가지 라야기 저같이 붙이기 나랑도 나부터 참아라 시고다 라서
Red cabbage, see? Cabbage patch here. They already harvested one field of cabbage. No age to drive buggy. See, that's a young boy right there. There's no age to drive buggy here in the county. Look over here. To the left, you'll see a big L-shaped building. Look on the roof and you're going to see solar panels. Those solar panels charge 12-volt car batteries, which the lady uses for lights for her business and also a cash register. In the county, they make all the buggies for the Amish. That buggy will cost an Amish family between $8,000 and $15,000. The Amish will never sell their land. When the Amish came over here in 1727, they have never used chemical fertilizers. There and right across the Amish farm right here. Now you see why you have to have respect for each other, the English and the Amish. Because the way you live together. So let these little pumpkins, look. This pumpkin field here is done. Those are, they both take it, they're too small and they're not enough time to grow. But look right here. Look at this field here. A cooking meal on Sunday. Now there's an Amish one-room schoolhouse right there. Now in that schoolhouse, 25 to 30 young Amish children in grades 1 through 8 are in one room. First graders sit here. Second graders, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, all in one room. What is the meal of the day? This meal consists of ham, roast beef, and turkey. As many as 10 different kinds of vegetables. Bushel baskets full of sweet potatoes, bushel baskets full of mashed potatoes, cooked and raw celery, draperies or curtains, that's frivolous. You pull green shades down, that's privacy. English live right here. Another Amish family is here. The 694 one squares right here. Girls like the yellow ones, the pink ones, the boys like the black, blue ones. All made by one scooter company, and they all about 6 miles this way. Those scooters cost about $250, but they'll last forever. It's an Amish woman one entire year to sew a quilt. And each quilt's sewn by one woman and one woman only. Take care of the cemetery. And it went disrepair. Big trees are growing out of it, all kinds of weeds were covering it. So about 50 years ago, the bishop of the slope.
오, 다들 녜망 망보통 자차래 farmers market 라이나 디도 첨보 고르 통만요. 뱀 맛에 첨보도. 안 섭다 비좀 줘 봐. 안돼 moms 나도 moms티 항상 야보도 안돼 pumpkin olive leggero butternut squash. Damn, these are pretty. What? $2.95. 고모 뒤인데 배상 없죠. 공 딱다리 샤든저 공세 빼고도. 네. 항상 여보도 니 이제 뭐도
좀
안지에다 한번씩 뭐다 이러면은 빼야보도 뭐네 전에기 너보도 렉다 참아도 오도 참아도 괜찮아 양태리 서로 말하고 있다 야 이제 뭐다 다 나눠도 초가 나눠도 때문에 되고. 그러면 지혜지. So I can put this on top of this like that. See, and decorate. See? Yeah. I think like this is good, right?
Yep.
다 됐了, 싱토도. 네. Yeah, that's a part of it.
The school right here,
That
that is a very, very special schoolhouse to the Amish. Why? That is an Amish schoolhouse for children with learning disabilities and
cucumber,
physical
garlic,
disabilities.
hot pickle.
Now in that schoolhouse right back there, there's only 8 children go to school there.
Buckwheat, raw honey.
Now they don't have to ride a scooter to school or walk to school. An English bingo comes out and the like the Amish will pound this field here, pound this field up again. Yeah, tobacco runners pound this field all over. Everything's pulled by team mules, everything has steel wheels. Amish will never ever have a tractor out in the field. That's how they do all their plowing. Everything's pulled by team mules. They use from 4 mules to 8 mules for every task. Look at tobacco curing, this tobacco curing shed. Now, this is the old-fashioned things left open. But what happens if it rains? All you need to do is get one tobacco plant in there soaking wet. It could develop a mold. You lose your whole tobacco crop to the mold. It'll spread through every piece of tobacco. Now that tobacco curing shed right there holds $28,000 worth of tobacco. One plant getting moldy in there, wipe out your whole tobacco crop. And that would wipe out anybody losing $28,000. So suppose all of a sudden we got a real bad snowstorm. Now the grandparents are called Oma and Opa. That's the name of the children called Oma and Opa. Now there's 3 generations living there. What do you mean everywhere? Everywhere.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, shopping. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, ani tagarangal go jaginda. Number 2 to you. Last, so thank you very much.